Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to do a 100 ml oil challenge. This is a requested video and one of my viewers has requested me to do this. So I am going to do this, and that person has actually given me instructions on how to go about this challenge. So let me just read that for you. So the person says, before starting the video, make sure your hair has been braided. And start the video by pouring oil directly on your hair and make it completely drenched till the braid end. Then undo the braided hair and apply rest of the oil and comb it fully. Finally, part your hair and make twin bun. This would be interesting. Post this video without any edit. This is my requesting video. So I hope I'm able to do this entire video without any edits. I hope it doesn't become a very long video. So let's get started. I have 100 ml oil here. This is a half cup measure, and 1/4 cup is 60 ml. So half cup is 120 ml. But I have taken a little less. But I still feel that this is a little more than 100 ml. So pouring oil directly on my hair with the cup is going to be difficult. So I have a spoon here. So let's get started. I would like to keep my phone away, and then, oh my god, I don't know how this is going to work. I have mixed a lot of oils together. So the thing is that I think I'll use my hands. Okay, let me just remove this as well. A lot of oil is actually going down onto my, so I'm pouring this kind of, this is as good as it can get. I can't like pour it more than this. This is becoming messy. Oh. Ooh. Okay, let me try it again. The thing is, I'm not able to look in the mirror and in the camera at the same time, and that's like, okay, that's better. I hope you guys can see this. Sorry about the lighting. This is a little bit late in the day, so sun has almost gone down. And the light here is not that great. So that's like one side almost drenched, and this side should be better. Let me try. I'm trying to save the oil from like falling down. Okay. Ooh. This is a very interesting challenge. I didn't think that it's going to be so difficult to like pour it onto my hair, onto the braided hair especially. I just like braided it very, very casually because anyway I have to open it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. What do you think? Is that drenched? It's difficult, guys. It is difficult. It's not easy. I thought it would be a cakewalk, but it's not. Okay, so I think the hair is almost drenched in oil as far as it can go. Now, the oil is actually dripping when I'm trying to remove my bands, the hair bands. Now open it up. and rest of the oil, apply it. This is better. This is so much better. So much better. Wow. That's a lot of oil. You know, when I actually read about this 100 ml challenge from the viewer, when I got to know about it, I actually thought 100 ml is not so much, but I was wrong. 100 ml is a lot of oil. It's a lot of oil. And it has become messy. And thank God I'm not doing it on the bed. Ooh. Or even sitting in the chair. I mean, I have never done this on camera before, and I never imagined that I'm going to do such a thing on camera before. Can you see how the oil has dripped all over my hand? Not just dripping on the hair, but on my hand as well. Okay. So there is still oil left in this. So I'm just gonna just wait. Let me just first apply a little bit to the ends, and then I'm just going to pour it on to my head, right in the middle of my head. Let's see what happens. Anyway, I've created so much mess. A little bit of more isn't going to do much harm. What do you think? Okay. So, get ready for this. Woo! Oh my God. Oh shucks. This is, oh my God. That's a lot of oil. Oh shoot. Like this much oil, I don't apply this much oil even in a month. So that's like a lot of oil. And I'm not going to waste any of it. So like that. Yeah. And like that. That's funny. I'm actually enjoying this. I never thought that I would enjoy this, but okay. Let me just ensure that the cup doesn't have any oil left. Front, back, everywhere. So that's my 100 ml gone. So let me just read the instructions so that I don't miss any of the steps. So undo the braided hair and apply the rest of the oil and comb it fully and then part your hair. So let me just get a comb because I don't have a comb here. I was not prepared to comb. So a little bit of hair fall which I was trying to take off from my hand. I'll just be back with the comb. Alright, so here it is. Comb it through. Comb. Ooh. my God. Now with this kind of a hair, it'll be so easy to do a sleek ponytail. But yeah, I mean, you'll not feel nice and you will not look nice with so much oil in your hair. Oh man, that's a lot of oil. The oil is literally dripping from the comb. Look at that. Did you see that? See. Can you see the oil? Can you see the oil? Look at that. Oh my God. Alright, now time to part the hair. There it goes, and there it goes, and there it goes, and there it goes. Oh. Right now, I feel like I'm looking exactly like Magica the Spell, if you remember in the animated series, the cartoon DuckTales. There was this witch called Magica the Spell who had hair exactly like this. So I just feel that I'm looking like her right now. So now for the twin buns. I feel I won't have a lot of problem in removing my makeup today because the oil is all over my face as well. So let's do this. The bun. Twin buns. Twin buns. Twin buns. I need to go a little higher. Bobby pins. And there I get a few. This hair is not going to need a lot of bobby pins because the oil is going to hold beautifully. Wow. Never ever imagined that I'd be doing this in front of all of you guys. But yeah, why not? If you want to see it, guys, I'm here to make the video for you. I was really happy when the viewer requested for this challenge video. Although I'm looking like an oily, sweaty mess right now, but happens. That doesn't look like a twin bun. At least it looks like a bun. I'm happy. Oh yeah. That's cool. I'm happy. Just wipe my face. So yes, I really enjoyed this challenge. Thank you Backdoor Pulsar for requesting this video. I really had fun. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. And I am so pumped up to receive more requests and to make more and more of requested videos. So if you guys want to see anything fun, any challenge that you guys want me to do, please go ahead and put that down in the comment section below. Also let me know if you guys enjoyed this video or not. I sure did. Thank you again to Backdoor Pulsar. You didn't leave a name, so I don't know what you called. I would really be interested in knowing. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruelty-free videos. And if you have any requesting videos, as I already said, please leave them in the comment section down below. And I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I need to get cleaned up, so bye.